traffic, sir. From here, then the court come out. From Yash, from here, then the court come out. Yeah, from here go. Ahead and right hand. One leg is go, the other leg, it get as it be.
Because this your trailer don't destroy many people. Oh, we're going to mad or to mad. Dangote, that trailer. Hi. Dangote in Angobara. You dey suck blood. Nothing where people will go fit tell me where I go here. Dangote, they suck a lot of people blood. He will Angobara. Dangote, you don't suck a lot of people blood. You won't buy all the whole people where they Nigeria. You won't buy all the whole people where they there. Okay, you won't buy everybody, more only you want to stay. You won't buy everybody, may only you want to stay, Dangote. Dangote, Nigeria, na full country. The president now a woman, Dangote. So all of them want destroy Nigeria. All of them want destroy people where they inside. You see that phyna sister? That phyna sister will be say that your trainer now don't go cut his leg. The thing will be say where you go do Dangote. You need to make that girl, you need to pay school fee for that girl, make that girl finish. So now don't make this innocent girl, this phyna come they cry. They cut on, he cry, cut on to food for a morning, afternoon, and night. Dangote that don't destroy many people's life. That don't do a lot of things. Why it be like this? Why are you guys destroying people's life? Dangote. What's it happen? Why are you people destroying people's life? Una they destroy their life, even their career, nothing. That girl now, this guy say happen that girl no go fit do anything for this life again. The girl no go fit do anything. Even the second leg now. Then they think about how they want to cut the second leg. The second leg is not moving. You have to find solution. Nigeria, so they're not supposed to ban Dangote because a lot of things is going on. Dangote na Anguzi Obalando Made. He's doing this thing since I was born. Dangote, you are sucking people's blood. You are taking people's blood, Dangote. You know what you are doing. You know what you are doing. Any trailer, you go train no, you teach her blah na kana ngo blando mad. Now what you they do? Now what you they do? You don't buy a lot of people. That your trailer don't buy many people. As they buy the trailer, that's so they carry blood they put on top. Make they buy people for you. So that you go use that they grow, they get a lot of money, they get a lot of cash. Nigeria make una ban Dangote, make una ban me, make una ban me. If una no say una want use una life do better thing, make una ban Dangote. Assume me say na better country, they for don't ban that man. They for don't ban that because people life is going down. What is it? Guinea. I won't do more the kind of work we are now. People's life we are talking about here. People's life. Look at what happened to Phil's sister. Una don't see her. Phyna now don't they cry up and down. Phyna, they cry up and down. They find solution. They find help for her own sister. We be saying that Dangote trailer and I do that. Dangote, you need to go and build a house for this girl. You need to open shop for this girl. You need to pay her school fees. You need to do a lot of things for her because her life is destroyed. Right. You need to do a lot of things for her. You destroyed her life just like that. Her dreams. Everything this girl is planning for her future, everything has gone. You hi. You destroyed this girl's life. Dangote. Dangote.
Nigeria have a country.
No, Nigeria is not a country.
No. Buto.
Dangote.
Buto.
Kodiba.